Namaste. Khushro betiya. I, JVN Dr. Chandrakala, Assistant Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's class, we will be going to discuss from the subject Agriculture Biotechnology. So, in today's session, we will be going to discuss on molecular farming for production of foreign proteins and edible vaccines. Okay. So, let's first discuss about the molecular farming. So when we talk about the molecular farming, the use of whole organism, organ, tissue, or a cell culture as a bioreactors for the production of commercially valuable products via recombinant DNA technology. Okay. So the molecular farming is an application of genetically modified technology. Okay. So it is also known as biofarming or gene farming. Okay. Molecular farming is a technology that used by the plants to produce large quantity of pharmaceutical substances such as vaccines and antibiotics. Okay. So the plant molecular farming is the production of pharmaceutical importance and commercially valuable diagnostic proteins and industrial enzymes in the plant. So the combination of biotechnology and agriculture to produce a new biomolecules for the benefit of human beings. The molecular farming started about 20 years ago with the promise to produce therapeutical molecules, okay, which falls under the category of green biotechnology. So green biotechnology, when we refer to the biological technique to the plants with the aim of improving the nutritional quality, quantity, production of economics such as disease resistance or UV resistance plants or plant that have superior quality by means of genetically modified or other examples includes the production of biofuel, bioethanol, methanes or other uh, products. Okay, green technology involves the use of environmental friendly solution as an alternative of traditional industrial agriculture, horticulture or animal breeding. Use of bacteria to facilitate the growth in a plant, development of pest resistant grains, engineering plant to express the pesticide, use of bacteria to ensure the better crop yield instead of pesticide and herbicide. Okay. Use of bacteria as a plant to grow faster, resistance to the ripen earlier. Okay. In 1986, the first plant-derived recombinant therapeutical protein, that is protein, the human GH in tobacco and sunflower. Okay. So, what is the requirement of molecular farming here? A major advantage of transgenic plant for molecular farming is the comparatively low cost of large production. Okay. Plant is a bioreactor and is easy to store the product like storage of like seeds for longer durations. Here the Arabidopsis thaliana is used as the model plant. The advantage we can see is it is range of available mutant is there, small genome, why we are taking Arabidopsis. Okay, easy of transformation is there. For leafy crop tobacco, high yielding established transformation expression technology is being used. Okay. So many crops are being used as a model plants here, like simple plants, uh, leafy crops, alfalfa, cloves, cereals, maize, rice, wheat, legumes, soybean, pigeon pea, tomato, banana, oil seeds like safflower, oil seeds uh, are being used. So, so stable nuclear transformation is there, plasmid transformation is there, transient transformation is there. Okay. So when we talk about the application, the products and the use of bioplastic and biopolymer is the post-harvest packing horticulture crops for long transport we can do. Production of edible vaccines and extraction of non-edible vaccines from plants. Okay. So the vaccine we can say it is like the biological preparation to improve the immunity of a particular disease. Okay. But edible vaccines are the transgenic plants are used as a vaccine production system. The gene coding anti-gene of bacterial and viral pathogens can expressed in plants in the form in which they can retain native immunogenetic properties. Okay. So edible vaccine is currently being developed for number of human and animal diseases. Why edible vaccine? Oral vaccine provides mucosal immunity, mucosal immunity, and a various inside secreting antibodies. Do not need to worry about reuse, misuse, or lack of sterilization. Low risk of infection, and it is cheap also. Storage is not a big issue. Safe side. So, mode of action is like the oral vaccination is to stimulate the mucosal or and systemic immunity against pathogens. So, edible vaccine, when taken orally, undergoes mastication process and nature of the plant cell degradation occur in the intestine. As a result of action of digestion and bacterial enzymes are edible on edible vaccine. So the antigen does come out of the M cells and M cells passes through the antigen to the macrophage to and B cells. B cells activate the T cells to produce immune system. Okay. So in this way the immunity is activated by edible vaccine. So the plant used for edible vaccines here tobacco, potato, banana, rice, soybean, alfalfa, muskmelon, carrot, peanut, wheat, corns, etc. For cholera, edible eating one potato a week for a month with a period of booster was said to be the provide immunity. The transgenic potato with CTB gene of Vibrio cholera was shown and effective in mice in 2007. In 2008, measles, transgenic rice and lettuce may be found against the measles are being developed. So MVH could be attained antibody of 5 times the level considered to the protective for human. It was fed in mice. Okay. Hepatitis B. It was a VLP could be the invoked specific antibodies in mice was studied and expressed in the potatoes. So many new innovative things are coming up in this. Safety issues are some are allergic and toxic potential to plant components and potential for the interference risk of typical other diseases, heat and health and environmental risks are always there with GMOs and prevention or misuse. So edible vaccine holds a great potential and it can reduce the cost of the transport and refrigeration. So for many significant challenges are still overcome before the vaccine crop can be become a reality. Okay, thank you. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital version. If you have any of the queries, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Namaste.